about bringing the best of Google security to your Android device. Google Play Protect is Google's built-in malware protection for Android. Backed by the strength of Google's machine learning algorithms, it is always improving in real time, keeping your device safe 24/7. Google Play Protect continuously works to keep your device, data and apps safe. It automatically scans your device and makes sure you have the latest in mobile security, so you can rest easy. Securing your device, even if it's lost. If you've misplaced your device, Find My Device has your back. You can locate it by signing into your Google account, or even call it directly from your browser. Lock your device remotely or display a message on the lock screen, so if someone finds it they know who to contact. Plus, if you're convinced it's lost for good, you can erase all your data. Scanning and verifying over 50 billion apps every day. All Android apps undergo rigorous security testing before appearing in the Google Play Store. We vet every app and developer in Google Play, and suspend those who violate our policies. Then, Play Protect scans billions of apps daily to make sure everything remains spot on. That way, no matter where you download an app from, you know it's been checked by Google Play Protect, helping you surf on the safe side. With safe browsing protection and Chrome, you can browse with confidence. If you visit a site that's acting out of line, you'll be warned and taken back to safety.